Have you ever wondered why your stomach roars like a wild animal in a silent room, seconds after you just ate? That sound has nothing to do with hunger. It's the migrating motor complex, your gut's autopilot cleanup wave, firing every 90 to 230 minutes, hungry or not. It gets louder the emptier you are, because there's no food left to muffle it, so gas just echoes through empty pipes. Mayo Clinic's Szurszewski found this in 1969 and named it the interdigestive housekeeper. So next time your stomach roars like a wild animal in a silent room, that's not hunger, that's your gut's housekeeper clocking in.